Howdy. Hello, hello. Hey, YouTube viewers.
Alright, so we're in eastern Quebec near Gaspésie in Forion Park, and here we're doing this 3-day hike called Les Crêtes. So it's super late in the day, it's around 5 p.m. now. We have some flashlights, we have some headlamps, so worst case we're just walking in the dark a little bit. Just gonna send it on this hike now and make the best time we can, so it should be a good one. Alright, let's get going. We're just 5 minutes into the trail and we're just starting to go onwards and upwards.
Onwards and upwards, eh, boys?
So you see Ricky here, he has a pretty intense bag. It's a heavy one. I think we have about 5 hours to go.
Yeah, we should pick up the
I think we're all right.
Try and get there as quick as we can.
Feeling to be a little late.
I think if we pick up the pace now, we'll be slower after. Alright, so it's about sunset and it just started raining. We still got a few hours till the campsite, so hopefully it doesn't rain too much. Also, hopefully we get some nice beach views along the way, because that'd be nice as well. So we have to cross this road to get to the next part of the trail. The conditions are getting a little bit shabby here, but you can see the ocean down there. We got a classic bag set up here.
It's kind of a classic. I'll call it a piercer.
A piercer. So we've just been going up this very steep, quite endless hill. On the way to the campsite, we just summited this mountain, and it was really intense because it wasn't switchbacks. Instead, it was just all uphill.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Straight uphill. It was a rough ride, but
vertical.
you know, we made it.
There's a ladder.
Yeah.
It's a big ladder.
Big ladder.
Don't know if I'd say I feel good.
But it's a beautiful viewpoint here, and you see there's the amazing band of blue in the far horizon, regardless of the clouds and the rain. So that was one viewpoint. Another down here.
The water on both sides?
Yeah. Somber setting. So you see, this is much more of a populated area than the other side.
Metal at the top of your head there.
Look up. Imagine going uphill.
Alright, so we're near the first campsite and we're just going to walk right past it and go to the second campsite because that's where we're booked in. It's around 8 o'clock. Sun's setting in around half an hour here because it's a bit east. So we're going to have to go pretty quick here to get to this campsite.
No, dude. I got that name from in high school. Me and my friends used to go locking arms all together. Like, not locking arms, like everybody fucking holds to his neck, so you got it, right? And we'd go, and if somebody's in our way, we just go, move! We'll keep walking. We're like, turtle formation, boys!
It's pretty late at night here, maybe around 9. We decided to go to the second campsite, but it's quite a lot farther than we thought, so we're just going up this hill. I think we might end up turning back and going back to the campsite we just saw back there, but we'll see how the situation unfolds, I guess, eh? So my hammock is a Skyloft ultralight all-in-one hammock. Alright, so we're gonna call it a night. It's been a super long day. We hiked over 10K, which was pretty good. So we might make a bit of food, go to bed because we're really tired. 3/4. It's thundering out here at night. We're in the tent.
Oh, that was a flash. Yeah, that was a flash.
Okay, yeah.
It was but I didn't hear it.
Good shit.
That's like a wave.
didn't even mean to say it, I just said it.
Whoa!
Holy crap.
That was 3. That was 3. That was close. That was pretty close. Yo, those are some loud ones, eh? Is that the same one?
They're deep.
Alright.
Oh,
Side.
not too bad.
Okay, boys.
Oh, now I feel free.
Alright, so I just put the hammock away. There was a thunderstorm last night and my hammock was connected to this metal pole. So I decided to go and sleep with him in the tent, but there was not enough room in there and got a drastically horrible sleep. So I put my stuff away and we're just waiting on them. So we're gonna get going in a bit. So it's day 2 of this hike and we're starting again on the trail. Pretty rough sleep last night, so we're just taking it easy and Alright, so we're just leaving this campsite here, campsite number 1. And we have about 8 kilometers left till we're back at the car. It's going to be a pretty rough hike. So tonight we're going to camp on a beach. We're back up at this beautiful viewpoint, but it was just a long, difficult mission to get up here. How's the hike been for you?
It's been not too bad, you know. I've enjoyed it. Been a couple parts where it's pretty rough, not gonna lie. But, you know, you feel good when you power through that shit.
So we decided we're gonna end the hike a day early and go to a hotel instead. I think we're all quite exhausted and sleep deprived.
Yeah, no, my legs and feet are bad. My traps are destroyed, bud.
Decent, eh? Fucking decent, man. That's fucking decent, man.